Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am doing a mini cuffs and lashes haul. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any videos and never miss it. So without further delay, let's get started. So this is my affordable mini haul from Cuffs and Lashes under 200. I ordered recently this product from Cuffs and Lashes app, which is available in Google Play Store. Go and check out to download this app, and they have website and Instagram account also. So I give the link below in the description box so you can check it. I ordered earlier also from Cuffs and Lashes, but that time they don't have any app. But recently they make a app, so it's very convenient for us to shop directly from app. And the owner of Cuffs and Lashes is Nidhi Katiyar, and she have her own YouTube channel also. So if you're interested, please go and subscribe her. I was following her channel from very long time. It's been 1 year, and from there I get to know that she also sell affordable products from Instagram. So this time I ordered few products from Cuffs and Lashes, and this shopping site has so many affordable and budget products at very reasonable price. They have many Indian brands like Blue Heaven, Me Now, Miss Clear, ADS, In Color, Kiss Beauty, which are easily available in this site. They have COD also, and if you shop about 1000 they have free shipping. And my product came in this outer packet, and my all products are nicely packed in this bubble wrap. So the first product which I ordered from Cuffs and Lashes is this charcoal mask cream anti blackhead remover. It says that it is a bamboo charcoal whitening anti blackhead mask cream, and all the things are written in Chinese language, so I can't read. So the price of this product is 199 and the quantity is 130 gram. It is a huge tubes inside it, which you can use it for a very long time. And the next product which I have is a Bonjour eyelashes. It has a one pair of fake eyelash and a glue, and the price of this product is 50 rupees. And the second product which I get is the MN Me Now Dynamic Liquid Eyeliner with an easy glide creamy texture that facilitates creating any desire. The net weight of this product is 1.0 gram, and all the ingredients are mentioned here, and the price of this product is 120. And this is the liner. This liner is very black in color, and the third product which I have is a Me Now white soft eyeliner pencil, and the net weight of this product is 1.0 gram, and the consistency is very creamy, as you can see. And the price of this product is 80 rupees. And the last product which I have is a Blue Heaven Splash lip color in shade Plum Desire 310, and Aged Wine 308. The shelf life of this lipstick is 3 years from packaging, and the price of this lipstick is 149 rupees, and the quantity of this lipstick is 2.7 gram. So that's all product which I have, and if you want to shop from this website, I give all the link below in the description box. So hope you like my mini cuffs and lashes haul. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any doubt and question regarding these all products, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.